Hi, Miss Lara. I have a question for you. My question is, what do you love the most about UAE?
What I love the most about UAE is that as a woman, I feel safe and secure when I go out, especially at night.
أهلا وسهلا بكم في شركتنا تعبير للسياحة. نحب اليوم أن نبارك ونهني دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة بمرور 54 عام لهذه الاحتفال، وأيضا نحب أن نشكر شعبها الحبيب، ونتمنى لكم أيضا الحفظ والأمان، وأيضا إدامة الأمان لدولتنا الحبيبة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. شكرا لكم.
Happy National UAE Day!
I have a question for you. What color from the UAE flag describes you the best?
Okay, for me, the color that best describes me from the UAE flag is the red color because it represents strong and brave, because I took the courage to leave the Philippines in order for me to explore the beautiful opportunity here in the UAE. And happy National Day!
Which UAE landmark is your favorite?
Yes, for me, the best landmark is Burj Khalifa, where you can see different nationalities, different religions, and you can feel respect. Happy National UAE Day!
I have a question. How do you prefer celebrating UAE National Day?
I think I preferred spending time with my family, and ideally, I wanted to have a picnic in the parks and watch the fireworks and parades. Happy National Day!
Go. Miss Daria, hello. I have a question. What makes you proud of the UAE the most?
For me, it's all about the achievement and growth.
Happy UAE National Day!
Happy National UAE Day from Tabeer Tours. Happy National Day UAE. Happy National